cartoons. Get it? It's gonna be funny. It's the only place I can get any real privacy. And this is like the first time of me singing since I've had laryngitis. And I'm not all the way 100%. But I thought I would go ahead and just do some secret cartoons. But I think somebody's watching. I don't know. Wait, what is he doing? Is he on his phone? Oh, okay. That's my neighbor. I don't know why he was standing in his driveway. Maybe he's wondering why I'm sitting in the car. He's standing in his driveway and I'm sitting in my car. And I'm like, okay. So we're going to do some cartoons. Woo! Hello, sorry. Okay, here we go. Why should I feel discouraged? Why should the shadows come? Why does my heart feel so lonely and long for heaven and home? I sing because I'm happy. I sing because I'm free. His eye is on the sparrow, and I know he watches me. He watches me. His eye is on the sparrow, and I know he watches. I know he watches me. I'm not quite 100%, and you can still hear the cracks in my voice, but I got one out. Yay!